Good Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today, Miss Saint Malo will be your substitute for me today. Please make sure you are raising your hand for permission to speak and arrive on time to class. Take a look at your Mindful Monday writing prompt and be ready to share at 8:30. You may want to share your screen. I'm not sure if she's able to go in and out, so you might be able to share your screen. It'll be easier for her. In literacy, you'll be creating a comic scene from an event that happened in Tales of the Fourth Grade Nothing, or you may create one that you think could possibly happen in the next book of the series. In math, you'll be reviewing improper fraction, mixed numbers, and simplifying fractions. My one-on-ones that usually happen on Monday will be rescheduled to Wednesday. I want you all to be on your best behavior. And she will be able to put you in breakout rooms, but they will be automatic breakout rooms, not ones that you can individually do. So she can make 5 rooms with 3 people, but it's going to automatically put random people in. You will not be able to pick and choose who you want in your room. Let's make it a great Monday, and I will see you guys on Tuesday morning at 8:30.